morning, you guys. Bo is here. Yesterday, we left off with the shower. I ran out of the what's that? The sealant, the caulk all around the the silicone around the corners. Just went to Home Depot and picked that up, and also the aluminum edging corner. What happened yesterday, we painted the walls and stuff and all those panels, but it was too hot. The paint didn't even dry, and we didn't even do under the sun. It was under the trees, and the panel bent. They warped a little bit, so it made it I was kind of disappointed. So what I did was I put the 1 inch square aluminum on each rim, the lip, just to try to straighten that up, but just a tiny bit not straight. We'll see how it goes with the shower doors today. Hopefully it still works fine, but it looks nice so far. So this morning, before we started the work, I am having a bowl of noodle for breakfast. This is Vietnamese pho, so it's a beef noodle with shrimp and sweet basil and meatballs, bean sprouts. Okay, let's just eat. It looks good. Okay, take a look. All right, so here we go. Oh yes, man, it's summertime, so many flies, but oh, look at this. Put this chili, a little bit of this chili is not hot, just to get the flavor and make the soup. Looks so yummy right now. Roasted chili looks so good, and we got shrimp here, a little bit of beef. Yeah, so again, this is Vietnamese style noodle. They call it pho. This is homemade though. Right, come on, fly, go away. Let me enjoy my pho. All right, I don't know I say it right. Okay, I'm not Vietnamese, and I know the couple Vietnamese people watching this. All right, I think pho means noodle, and beef, I think it's called bò, and it spells like my name. If you Vietnamese guys watching this, alright, might be funny. Okay, good stuff. Now more energy. I'll work on the van all day today. Add a little bit of lemon to it. Yeah, it's good stuff. Oh, woo. Okay. All right, you guys. Haven't got any work done past couple days. So busy with work, and got home. You can see how late it is right now. Got down there and trying to finish the heater right here. 2 days already, I couldn't finish it. The mosquitoes were sucking it. The mosquitoes are pushing me away. Cannot spend too much time down there. Jesus, mosquitoes. Anyways, the heater looks good. Check out this side here. This is the hot air outlet coming out. It's really nice and low profile here. Okay, so what I've done so far, that's the cabinet. Turn on the light here. You can see the cabinet, and this there you go. Cabinet's almost done. My the doors done. I still have to do one more door, and the it's an aluminum frame, of course, and the shower is already up, and the shower doors, everything. I just need to still have to install a mixer and the front panel and stuff. It's not completely done, so it's still a mess right now. That's just a quick update. That's where I'm at right now. What a beautiful morning today, you guys. My goal today is to get the heater done, the diesel heater, and this is so far what I have done. Just a quick update. Alright, so partial of the cabinet is done except the bottom part and that one door right there, and here's the shower. Okay, the shower is beautiful and it's done. The doors, everything is already done. Framing is done. I just need to run the plumbing, which will be connected with the sink right here, and we still need to install the shower mixture, hot water mixture. Besides that, and here I am ready to get underneath the car to finish up the heater. Shouldn't take long if everything goes well. Okay, this is under my heater. Underneath right here, this is my hot air exhaust right here. Fresh air intake connected to behind the passenger front wheel passenger, behind the mud guard right there. And this is my wires for coming out, connected to the fuel pump, and also the fuel pump pipe right here, and it's going in there all the way to here. Okay, this is where I want to point out here. If you guys have this right here, this is the engine heat booster. Okay, if your car comes with this, that means it's already using the, where that go? Okay, it's already using the existing fuel line from the factory, which is this line right here is coming out from the fuel tank. So Mercedes has that extra fuel tank, fuel line coming out for this kind of purpose, but it's already taken by that. So you're installing the diesel heater, that means you have to share that line. What you need is this right here. It's the Dorman, I forgot the part number, but I can list that part number in the description below, which it's easy for to split them all in 3 ways. This is the coming out from the tank, it goes into there, and then one side goes share with that, and then one side here goes into your heater fuel pump. Okay, that's what I want to point out. Okay, that's very important part. Actually, there's a part number. Let's see if we can see the part number on it. And there you go. Okay, perfect. All right, this part is done. Everything nicely secured in place. Here's the wires for the fuel pump, and it is connected to the main unit up there. All right, you hear that? That's good news. Our heater is working. Listen. This thing is very quiet, but it's pumping, oh yeah, hot air. Okay, so just keep in mind, when you connected everything, you turn it on, try to run it. The first time, second time, maybe third time, it keeps on turning off. That means the fuel has not reached to the main unit. So try a couple more times, because the pump's trying to get the fuel into here. Once the fuel reached here, you can start to smell you know, the burning. And then just give it a minute. You can just keep feeling right here the hot air, and you start to feel it hot. And also, if it's a hot day like this, it's 85 degrees already temperature on outside. If you try to start your heater and the temperature set as 75 degrees, nah, it's not gonna work, because this is automatic. This is a, you know, automatic thermostat, and set it to somewhere higher than the normal temperature, the current temperature. So that's keep that in mind. Okay, yeah, hot air right now. All right, we're done with the heater. Let's move on. All right guys, today I got my assistant. I don't have to work today. Got a hands-on swivel seat attachment installment right there. She's a pro now. Look at the way she handles. The tool right there. Oh yeah. Strong. Remove. Okay. Look at this, you guys. Our swivel seat is done beautifully. Both of them done. Now I can focus on the panel, the outer panels, and then my plumbing part. We are getting really close here. You can actually lean this backward like this. You can, wow, this is comfortable. You can sleep this way. And so as the front one, because of the steering wheel, you have to like forward all the way, and then you can lean backward. All right, this is awesome. All right, for the hinges, I'm using these hinges again. These are adjustable. They support up to 40 pounds, and this is how you install them. You can see the adjustments right here. Okay, it comes with the Allen wrench, and you can just go ahead and adjust, depend on the weight of your lid, the cabinet door here. So it works good so far for me, and it looks nice. That's what I'm using. I'll put the link of these down below. All right, everybody, this video ends right here. So far the heater's done, the swivel seat's done, just the plumbing parts now, and the cabinet bottom, and then the enclosure for the fridge and stuff. So this van, we're getting really close. It's more than 80% done, I would say. So I will see you the next episode with all the updates, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys can learn a lot, have a lot of information from this episode, and I will see you next time.